www.mosilla.org. Got another DIY video on how to remove carpet. As you can see, the carpet's already been pulled up. Now I have to remove the tracks that lay against the baseboards that the carpet attaches to. These tracks are basically nailed to the floor. There's a nail. Right? Then on the top, you have these little nails that the carpet gets nailed to with a special tool. You punch the carpet into this wooden track. The only thing about it is when you're ready to change the carpet to just like vinyl or laminate or wood flooring, you have to pull these tracks up. And this is the tool that I'm using. This is for scraping up tile. It's been working okay for me, so I'm gonna just keep going with it. And you just gotta use your muscle, punch it up just like that. One of the most tedious things to do in carpentry, in my opinion, other than scraping glue off the walls from wallpaper. That's the worst. This is about close to being the worst, other than scraping wallpaper glue. There we go, we're just going to keep going around. Do this for about 10 minutes. So if any clients want this done, you can see just how it gets done. And whatever nails are left over or staples, use a screwdriver, some regular hammer, and a pair of pliers, and just pull it, whatever is left off the floor. You can't really have stuff sticking out of the floor when you're trying to lay new carpet or lay new flooring. You gotta basically have a smooth surface. Just keep going till all this stuff pops up. And then just kind of slide it until I reach a rough area. It's usually where these foam pieces are. Let's take my screwdriver and lift up on the staple, and I take my pair of pliers and remove the staple. There's a little buggers right there. And this could turn into an all-day affair just doing this alone. It's one of those things you just keep going till you find one, pull them up, move the excess foam away, dig them out. And if you find any that are too hard or too far into the floor to pull up, just nail them down. Make sure they're nailed down into the floor. So I'll be spending the rest of my evening doing this. I'll just let y'all watch for a little longer. People need to know that I'm working very hard for Godzilla. Trying to get my friends that I'm sponsoring overseas in Africa and Ethiopia and places like that, that this is what it's about. Money in America don't come easy most of the time. Sometimes it do, but most of the time it don't. So people around the world need to get the idea out of their head that money comes easy in America, because it don't. This is very tedious, time-consuming work for not much money at all. And so I'm going to keep going. These are the tools that you would need to pull up carpet. You would also need a carpenter's knife. Here's a carpenter's knife. And you just take this carpenter's knife and you slice the carpet open. And just keep slicing until you get a nice tear in the carpet. And you just stick your hands in there and you begin to pull it up off of the tracks. You know, because the carpet is nailed down into these little teeth of the nail. And you just yank the carpet up, you roll it up, and then you start on your work pulling up the tracks. That's pretty much what it is. Kenny West at Gozilla.org. That's GOZILLA.org. Thank you for viewing this presentation, this demonstration, Do It Yourself Project 307. Over and out. We'll see you next video.